Hello and welcome. In today's video, I will guide you through the simple process of setting up a lock in the OneDrive app on your Android phone. Securing your files with a PIN adds an important layer of privacy, ensuring that only you can access your OneDrive app. Let's get started. First, open the OneDrive app on your Android phone. Tap the profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings. After that, find and tap on App Lock. Now, you will be prompted to enter a 6-digit PIN. Make sure to choose a PIN that you can remember, but others can't guess. Finally, confirm your PIN by entering it again. Once done, your OneDrive app will be locked with the PIN you created. Thank you for watching. By following these steps, you have successfully added a secure lock to your OneDrive app on Android. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more useful tech tutorials. See you next time.